Hello guys, so this time we're going to do our next lesson in our conveyor belt construction, and we're still finishing up on the in-block coding. So if you are seeing this, then you probably already clicked on it, but conveyor unloader, in-block, and then we're going to scroll down to our challenge code. Now this one's quite tricky because our big thing is we want to get to this purple square, and we want to start up here in the top left corner. And we can only rotate in a clockwise direction. We want to use else if statements, so that way whenever we do not have to do a move so many spots and then rotate. It wants to be a continual thing until it finds out. So again, we're going to clock in the source code, and our initial code is right here. And this is something you do not want to change just at the beginning. We're going to set our panda to 25%. It's going to point in a certain direction, and then our first step is going to turn 90 degrees and wait 1 second. This is very key. Things that you're going to use to make sure that just to make sure we start off right is we're going to use some if else statements. We're going to use 1 1. We're also going to use our timer. We're going to use touching if it wants to touch a certain color. We're going to use the less than statement. And what else are we going to use? Wait, our rotation clockwise, and our move steps. I believe these are all the ones that we need for this to work. Now we're going to need more than just one of all of these. But you put these on the side. This is what you get to use. We're going to think about we need to be able to turn left by only going right. So that's a tricky part. And when you figure out as we could progress down and hit this black line and we turn right, we're going to hit this black line again. How can we figure out that we just did 2 rights in a row so that we have there's line so we go back the other direction? All right. And then we want to go around all the way to also make sure once we touch this purple line, what do we do next? And in this case, we're going to stop. And just for some fun, we're going to let's make an announcement. Well, let's just say hello. To make sure, let's just go through and make sure there's nothing else that I can think about that we might need. Stop, wait, continue, break. I think we're going to be good for that. Yeah, we'll be right. Okay, have at it. If you have any questions, there's the hint button, and see what you need.